Namaste, I am Ranjani Chari. I am today discussing a topic called how modern are our modern discoveries as they claim to be compared to the contribution given by our seers and sages from India. I am from India, so I was raised with this understanding that modern mathematics encompasses all that was known in ancient India. But to my surprise, when I had to make some furniture in my house, I called a carpenter. He was not a very highly educated or degree holder, but he could calculate the estimation before I did. I asked him, how did you do this? He says it is from the word of mouth he learnt this Tamil mathematics from the grandfather to father to him. And this is called a poem, Naladiyar, and it starts like this, Odiya Neelathai. It's from our Tamil literature. Tamil is a very ancient language. He explained to me how he calculates the hypotenuse of a right triangle. And I'm just explaining to you the way he showed me with an ordinary right angle, triangle's two sides. Now, the longer side is called the run, and the adjacent perpendicular side is called the rise. We can call them base and altitude, whatever. Now, he says, divide the length into 8 equal parts. So, I divided it into 8 equal parts. Similarly, here, the height is given to be 6. That was also with the same unit, 6 I have divided. He says, now remove 1/8 of this, that is 1 part out of the 8 parts. So I've got 7 units with me. Then he says, make half of the adjacent side. So I said, okay. He says, add them together. That's what I did. When you add them together, you get 10 units here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of the run, and you have the 3 units added together, 10. Isn't that the hypotenuse of this right triangle? And this is how he calculated. The second triangle which we took had the run equal to 12, and it had the rise equal to 5. So we need to find the squares of both. That's coming to 144 here, and here it is 25. That gives me a total of 169. So square root of 169 comes to plus or minus 13, but we use only the positive length. So the hypotenuse is equal to 13 units. But here what I'm going to do, by the Naladiyar method shown by my carpenter, I'm going to do it this way. 7/8 of 12 plus half of 5. This gives me 10.5, and that gives me 2.5. That gives the total of 13. It's done in one line this way. So when we add it together, that is why I got this total equal to 13 units. And the poem we say in Tamil is Odiya Neelathai Orittu Kooraki Kooradhanil Ondrai Neeki Kundrathil Padi Serthal. Kundrathil means this altitude. Kundrathil Padi Serthal Neetiya Karanam Thane. Karanam means that line which pierces through 2 vertices. That's why Karna was named Karna, because he was born with the pierced ears. So Nitiya Karanam Thane means that is the hypotenuse. This is how you can easily calculate the hypotenuse of any right triangle. If it is a perfect Pythagorean triplet, you will get the answer in whole numbers. If not, you can always get them to correct it to one or two decimals. Thank you so much.